Hi everyone. I'm sure we are all familiar with picking up our phone for one thing then being sucked up into a doom scrolling session. Well, don't worry because I can relate. Let's get right into it. Delete unnecessary apps. This stops you from mindlessly clicking on social media and wasting time. Find a replacement. Without it, you will eventually return to your phone. Try hobbies like journaling or finally complete that essay you were procrastinating on. Block notification except important apps like your banking app. This stops compulsive phone use. Don't set unrealistic goals. Eventually, you will get sick of it. Try and remove 10% from your average. I went from 8 hours to 5 average. This helps you a lot. And finally, touch grass. Haha, I'm just joking. But try going to the local park or completing simple errands. You can also have fun choosing your outfit.